Hello children and welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to do the question answers of the second chapter of our English reader book, that is the Master Artist. Children, I have already uploaded the answers to exercise A and other exercises at page number 13 and 14 on the Google Classroom. Let's do the question answers now. The first question is, you need not even pose because my memory is excellent. Do you think there was another reason why La Abbe told Bartoli that he did not have to pose for him? The answer is, the other reason for La Abbe telling so was that he wanted his painting to remain hidden even from Bartoli because he wanted to give wings to his imagination and paint in his own way, which was not the popular styles of the time. The second question, why according to La Abbe was the painting taking so long? The answer is, according to La Abbe, the painting was taking so long because he was painting his masterpiece. Moreover, he was using the best of materials and technique, which was a time-consuming endeavor. The third question is, how long did the masterpiece take? Do you know why? So the answer is, the masterpiece took 6 months to complete because Mansasini Laabe had used the best of materials and the cubism style of painting, which was a time-taking endeavor. The fourth question, Giuliano Bartoli stood for a minute. How was Bartoli feeling at this point? How did he express his feelings? So the answer is, Bartoli was feeling disappointed and was enraged because he did not like his portrait at all. His mouth fell open, his eyes turned red, and he grabbed what few hairs he had left on his head. He did a little hop, a twitch, and his eyebrows twisted. He also shouted and told him to get out of his sight, that he would not receive any money. The fifth question, you are not an artist, maybe a thief or a madman. Why did Bartoli look at the picture and feel that La Abbe was not an artist? Why did he call him a thief or a madman instead of any other name? The answer is, Bartoli felt that La Abbe was not an artist and called him a thief or a madman because he did not like his portrait made by La Abbe as it was painted in cubist expression. We've missed a little line here, children. You need to focus. Which he could not understand. I repeat, he did not like his portrait made by La Abbe as it was painted in cubist expression, which he could not understand. I have written in little words here. He was not aware of this style of art because it was not used in those days. So these are the question answers of the second chapter, The Master Artist. And as I told you, I have uploaded the other exercises of this chapter on the Google Classroom, which you all can follow. Thank you and goodbye.